We would like to present to you our conclusion based on our findings. In 2016, we saw growth in many areas, including their net income, profit margin, and their earnings per share. Norwegian has improved their earnings per share by 37.6% in quarter 3 when comparing it to quarter 3 in 2015. The gross profit margin for Norwegian is 47.15%, and our group believes that this is strong and it has grown considerably when comparing it to the gross profit margin in the previous year in the same quarter. Their net income growth has also exceeded that of the S&P 500. Additionally, their net sales has increased from 1,284 million in 2015 to 1,484 million in 2016. Our group nonetheless has come to the conclusion that we would not invest over $1 million of our own money into this publicly traded company. Norwegian is currently being traded at a discount in comparison to its competitors, but we feel that $1 million into this one company is far too risky. It's safer to invest this money amongst different companies in multiple sectors in order to distribute the wealth and ultimately reduce the risk. Their quick ratio also shows a lack of ability to cover short-term cash needs, and when competing against cruise industry giants such as Carnival and Royal Caribbean, they may need cash fast at some point. Norwegian's liquidity has decreased from the same period last year, which is a contributing factor as to why our group would not invest in this company's debt bonds. Their debt has increased since last year, and we don't believe it would be a sound investment. Norwegian's strengths outweigh its weaknesses that this company encompasses. Despite their high debt and their weak liquidity, they somehow managed to grow both sales and net income at a faster pace than their average competitor. Nonetheless, their liquidity ratios are lower than the industry average, and they have increasing debt obligations with new ships being built. For this reason, we would not grant them a $1 million line of credit overnight, especially since we're not sure where these funds would be allocated. We hope our presentation has better equipped you to make sound investing decisions when it comes to Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings. Happy investing!